Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about purchase assemblies and phantom assemblies, how to manage them from CAD systems. So in SolidWorks, you can manage assemblies, for example, a purchase assembly with the exclude from BOM setting. So you can go either exclude them or open directly the sub-assembly in SolidWorks, go into configurations, SolidWorks configurations, go to the properties of this configuration, and then you can configure purchase assembly by selecting hide in SolidWorks. So when you do that, this will be a purchase assembly. So you want these changes to OpenBOM. So notice that that item in OpenBOM doesn't have any children. The other example will be a phantom assembly. So similar with SolidWorks, you can bring this with the same setting, but using promote instead in that same position. When you select promote, this sub-assembly will be dissolved in the bill of material of SolidWorks, but also in OpenBOM. So if you notice that this crank assembly over here, the chain is not part of that sub-assembly. It's just this level with the crank itself. So that's being dissolved. So that level you see here is basically the next one. So it's just this item over here and the children. So we are dissolving that one. That's a phantom. So in other CAD systems, we can also do this. For example, in Onshape, we have similar settings. When you go to properties into a sub-assembly, Onshape has those two options there. If you go into, you can exclude them, of course, same similar, but then sub-assembly BOM behavior, you can control show assembly only will be a purchase assembly. Show components only, you are dissolving the sub-assembly, so it's a phantom assembly. You're just showing the components one level up. So in Fusion, for example, we have added this functionality into Fusion since Fusion doesn't have any of these sort of settings. So we've added the ability to exclude items. So when you install the OpenBOM add-in, notice that we have extra options there. So if you are using a sub-assembly, you have these extra options. So mark as purchase will not bring the children, or mark as phantom will dissolve the sub-assembly and show components only. So this way you can get easily from CAD BOMs, from CAD structures to engineering build materials or product structures more easily. So hope you like this video. See you next time.